Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at St. Luke Catholic School, home of the Wildcats in McLean, Virginia. This is my fourth or fifth visit now to the school. I've been here quite a few times, and it's always great to come back just to share my heart. A lot of the students remember me from previous years, so we kind of get to keep building on what we've already talked about. And today's topic was on leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. And this means, what we love to do, our fire inside of our hearts, right? And really the things that make us come alive. And we start to use, our gifts, our talents, our abilities from God to go and help others, right? We turn our passion into our purpose, the reason that we're even here on this planet. And it was so cute and so awesome, some of the kindergartners, first graders, second graders even, just telling me, Mr. Peace, I've been helping people since I was in pre-K, and I love helping people, and we should show kindness to everybody around the world. And just to really reinforce these ideas, that we follow in in the same footsteps as Christ, our perfect example of perfect love. He came to serve, like it says in Mark, and we all can serve one another, right? No matter what we're going through or have been through, we can use, those experiences to really start to make a difference on this planet. And the students really did take that to heart, that we have to put people first, things second, that we really try to prioritize the most important things in our life, our family, our faith, our friends, our hopes, our dreams, our goals, right? And our passions. And, to know that we can already get the wheels turning at a very young age, I think that's huge, right? Because knowing that even, as a third grader, as an eighth grader, that you have this power and this ability to uplift others, to really start to make a difference. I think that's very important to understand, but also it's vital, that we need a lot more leaders here on earth. And, when we're thinking about, doing these good works for God, like it says in Ephesians, this also means that we're doing things for the right reasons, right? We're not bragging about things. We're staying humble. We're serving, the way that Jesus would serve. We don't have to get all the accolades or the awards or the prizes. We just do it because it's heavy on the heart, right? Not just doing things for the trophy, but thinking about our legacy and what you want to be remembered for. Hopefully like somebody's helping hands, and like that bowling ball example that we talked about, right? Having that strong character and those strong values and that strong moral, having the courage to stand up for and do what's right, right? And that means that we also realize our worth, our value, our power. We see that in ourselves and others. And that's why I bring this up in all my assemblies. A lot of students trace theirs. We all have the letter M on the palm of our hands, right? With the lines on our hands. At least one, sometimes a faint line connects it. But that M, we know, stands for miracle, right? Upside down W for worthy. Like it says in Isaiah 49, I've engraved you on the palm of my hands, and this is the proof, right? So knowing that we can be that light to someone else's heart, we can choose to shine that light, like the story of the starfish, that every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. And, it's just always very encouraging for me to know that we have these young people that are picking up that torch for change, that are really living just like our Savior wanted us to live, right? To go and, be there for others and really support others, and know that part of our purpose is helping others. So thank you so much for touching my heart. Remember, there's no right way or wrong way to be a leader, as long as we start in our heart, like we also discussed during the presentations today. Have a great rest of school year. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.